So I just want to take a moment to show you how you can create a support ticket to get linked to get cleaning in the cleaning industry on LinkedIn. So I'll drop this initial link that'll take you to this page in the comments section below. And what you'll need to do is click on Get Help from Us. And that will take you to select a category. I would select Other. What do you need help with? And that could be a suggestion. Okay. Oh, I can't type today. Hang on. Suggestion for product team, and then scroll right down to the bottom and create a support ticket. And then if you scroll down here, put in your email address, and it will ask you what you want help with. If you scroll right down to the bottom and put Other, for AppSite, I would just suggest that you put, just a moment, I would just put LinkedIn, website, and device. I would just put laptop or desktop. It doesn't really matter, because actually it's more that you want help with the getting the cleaning industry on LinkedIn as a specific sector. So then that would be your question. So it's like, please, can you help me? I want to get LinkedIn put on as a specific sector. Can you give me, can you connect me to the product team so I can make this suggestion? Once you fill that in, you just click submit, and they'll come back to you with an online form, and it takes about 30 seconds to fill in, and you just put that suggestion in. And that is how you can help support this campaign in getting the cleaning industry on LinkedIn. If you've got any more questions, or there's you're not sure about what to do next, just drop me a DM or comment on this post, and I can either do another video, or I can contact you directly in terms of how to make this happen. Thank you once again for your ongoing support. We need to keep going if we're going to make the difference.